is that? Is that tape or glue?
I think it's glue, but it's like a weird glue. It's going to be one of them. I have to get it. It's a weird glue, isn't it? It's like sealant.
Yeah, if you get the top layer off, then it should be alright.
Is this alright for the borders?
Yeah, so if we go make the badge the dark grey, then a light grey diamond with the red pinstripe going around it. So that needs to be the same grey as that one, that background. Have the pinstripe just a little bit thicker. Go a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, so send me that visual with the headboard. I'll send that to Chris then.
I think that is bang on first try.
Bang orang.
Gravy. Oh.
Nah, if you're doing beef, roast beef, you use the fat to do your Yorkshire dip.
Yeah, true.
Winning.
True. I can't stop laughing, I don't know why. I've had a camera in my face since fucking God knows when.
The rain, let's just stop raining.
Yeah. As soon as I turned up, I see tyre tracks outside. I was like, surely not. I'm not fixing it outside. Like when I came here, it was pissing down. I was like, well, that's plain. Smack you with the door. That I need to smack you with the door.
It's alright, mate, I'll take it. Get your hand there.
They don't actually watch for the trucks. I think they watch for your fucking input. Round the hole.
The little snips.
Yeah. No one's interested in the truck. They're interested in what you're going to say today.
I ain't got a lot to say.
Nothing changes.
Yeah. I can't wait to see this one done, actually.
Give me half hour, mate. Done.
No messing about. Suppose you've not got your top off, tension your muscles.
Too big now, they don't fit the unit. I have to use them outside. You know what you're gonna get? You're gonna get comments of. You can see he's struggling. Why are you recording him? Help him.
Give him a hand. Nah, mate. I'd only make it worse.
Nah, you're alright.
Mate, touch, mate.
Not one to comment. Want to keep your job?
I was trying to keep trucks flowing in on a Saturday so I could do one every now and again, just to keep my hand in. That didn't work.
And then you gave up with it. You went, you know what? I want early retirement.
I prefer to be doing this, mate.
No, what's the point doing it when you get other people to do it for you, you know?
just rip it off. Do you want to come to Finland, do a truck with me?
Finland?
Yeah.
Free holiday, mate. I'm there. Actually, it depends what truck.
It's one of these.
Not interested anymore. Finland?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What, they'll fly you out, give you a hotel?
Oh, I don't know about that.
So why are we doing it?
But I want to do it.
Fair enough.
Tidy.
Only way to do it. What's your intro going to be?
What for?
For your YouTube channel? Or you not gone that extreme?
I've not gone that far yet.
What's up, guys? It's WR Shin here. Today.
Can you really imagine me doing that?
Hi guys, it's WR. Yeah, I can. You probably lose followers. We're YouTubing.
I was just looking to see if it's
We're YouTubing, mate. They don't understand, do they?
Hey, right, Charles?
What?
What? What?
Well cold from here.
Because you just can.
Hey, all right.
Yeah, I'm just being nosy. I'm taking a break from that bumble.
Oh, all right.
Try and nick my phone.
That was smart, didn't it, Brandon?
Huh?
That was cool, didn't it?
I will admit, I didn't think it was going to work as well as it is now. You should have just accepted the yeah, it looks good. You just basically just said fluff now. Not really. Right, let me do that, that's quickly.
Oh, that is lovely.
I was going to get it done in half hour, but obviously it's slowing down. By about 4 hours.
About 4 hours, because he needs a step.
Oh, you want me to bring it to you as well?
I need to move that now.
Let me get out the 4K action shot. Here we have wild Brandon struggling to move the ladder.
I just don't want to damage it.
Whoops, it nearly went. Brandon's panicking. Stuffing. And now has to change his boxers. As he is skidded in his single
Joke's on you, I'm not wearing them.
Mate, at Christmas, he was ill,
Yeah.
right? So he'd come in here in his pyjamas.
You know that Sid Hill though, we did the white and black one?
Oh, like, no, I've read that though. You know when you just rock out of bed and you used to do that all the time. You're
No.
making out like it's like a
I've
weird
never
thing.
come in work in my pyjamas.
How much money do you want to put on it and I can get back up there 100%? Remember, you used to literally just wake up, come out of bed and go straight to work. You literally had pyjama bottoms on.
I don't remember that.
I don't know who Sophie will know. Sophie will back me up. That was when you had that nerve pain. You just didn't get any sleep, so you just stayed in your pyjamas.
I don't remember that at all.
You didn't wear slippers. You had your trainers on still.
Oh, right, that's right then. I must have slept in my trainers then.
Yeah.
That looks fun, Charlie.
Fucking was, mate.
Do you want more cars today?
Yeah.
I've hated cars.
I don't know what they are. What car?
One of the easiest cars to do it.
Go on.
Lamborghini.
I suppose it is quite flat.
Because they're flat and they're all individual little panels.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bit of a peak.
It's a very nice colour. Good pick. Not bad from the first time, eh?
First down the job.
First day on the job. Right, wait. Let me at least get it like roughly where I need. No. Let me just. Because I don't want to be the guy.
Oh, you've got no markers for this, I take it?
I've got markers, but the markers didn't work.
Oh.
Like, look, they're off. So, don't know if you know, but that is recording. That's going.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going.
Up we're going. Okay,
We're going.
Put my professional look on.
I would get rid of the backing paper altogether and start from the bottom.
Honestly, sounds like a really good idea, but I'm fucking too far in now. The main thing is seeing no red.
Yeah, as long as you don't see any red.
Which I think I've just achieved. Just. Yeah. Right, now we can sack this off. I just don't want to have any nicks under it. As I put my fingers under it. Right, this is where I squeegee it, and it don't go to plan.
Guys took shot. Anyone want anything on top?
Till.
Pardon?
Till.
Till?
Yeah.
Well, both of them or just one of them?
What's that?
Well, make sure you leave one so they can give you change.
You what?
I mean, if it's on you, I'll have a pork pie.
Pork pie. That's a bit random.
Brampton pickle as well. No, I don't like that.
It's kicking up there.
Yeah, I don't like that. Squeegeed it too hard, moved it about.
I mean, it's got a natural curve. You're going to have to pinstripe it in with your film. That's it. You got it. Banging now, mate.
Bang around. Do you like my tape measure?
I do like your tape measure, yeah.
Stole off Charlie.
That's even better when
He
it's
still
stolen
doesn't
from
know.
Charlie.
He still doesn't know.
He won't know ever.
I said to him, I said, you've lost something, you have. I just know. He's like, what are you talking about? You honestly, you've lost it. I just know you've lost something. And he's so oblivious to it. He thinks I'm trying to like have it on with him, but I've not had one for nearly 20 years now, I think.
You've not had a fag in 20 years?
About 20 years, I think.
That's doing alright, isn't it?
Now I see how old I am.
How old are you, mate?
Nearly 20.
Yeah. You've never had a fag, ever?
Never smoked a cigarette in my life.
Good. Disgusting.
Crack herring, though. I've been told that there's a problem with one of these letters. We'll have to substitute one of them for them ones.
Oh, right. It'll be the letter C. I think there was a snag on the plotter.
Something like that, yeah. I think it was the C. And now I think I can see it. As I continue to lay it.
You're loving life, mate.
I don't know why I laid it. I knew it was damaged. I literally, before I picked the sticker up, they said, make sure you change the C. Well, at least we know our stickers are sticky.
That's it.
Perfection. What now? I'll let you put the C on if you want.
You don't want to let me do that.
Why not? Old but gold, mate. I trust you. Out of everyone, I trust you.
Yeah? You'll let me have a go here?
Yeah, yeah, you. Just you.
I don't remember the last time I did a truck with you.
It was that time, you know, when you said you were going to come in the unit and start working, and then it lasted about 4 days, and then you went AWOL again. I think that was the last time we worked together.
Yeah, that kind of happens a
You know, when
lot.
you sold me a dream and then just...
I mean well.
Are these all going the way Dale's done, yeah?
Yes, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean well. Like, that's what I want to do.
It's alright, as long as you know, sell me a dream and don't do it, that's fine, that's fine. I mean, as long as the intention was there, it don't matter if you tell them. It's like, next time I want a day off, I go like, I was thinking about coming to work, I just couldn't be bothered.
I'm fine, right? Until the phone starts going. And then I'm looking at the phone, thinking, why the hell are they calling me? And it's a customer. So that just shows that I can't do both. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dang it, nearly had a day off work.
Does it feel like you got company all day?
I'm starting to think, why don't you just do the other side and it'll be done?
I need the
You need
footage.
a GoPro.
No, but it doesn't do anything. Like, you stick it down and then the footage you need isn't what you need.
True.
Did that make sense? No, that didn't make
It did,
sense.
like you need like the angles, you need to keep changing and
Yeah.
stuff. You can't. That's why you need a drone and then you can fly it, put some stickers on, fly it round. You can put it in hover mode.
What can I do you for, Brando?
I've got Dale's taken over the station and everything.
Yeah.
So what's this new design thing?
Oh, at the
Oh,
top.
right, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, well, let me...
Sorry for this.
I'll come
Oh,
through
yeah,
in
fine.
about a minute. And then we'll go through it.
I bet you won't.
Brandon? What?
Lewis,
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
What do you need, mate?
basically, I'm fairly out. You know, with this escort job, we used 2 woodland colours, didn't we?
I don't know what it should be written on the
It
file.
was wrap.
I think we used
Have you not got it written down?
ago. No.
Well, be sure then, mate, because I was adamant it was the dark blue for woodlands and they're light blue.
Why is it not written down?
Don't know.
It's just like old. Right, come with me a sec, Brandon. We need to look at this job. So, that's in position there,
Yeah.
and then about there,
Yeah.
it needs to be the same all the way down,
Following through.
following through.
Okay.
Right. So if you can just work your magic on the computer. Saturday morning, Let's see what we've got left. Leighton did that side. Just got the front badge to do. And the 2 corners. Let's get that cracked out.